Mr. Blue here. See that pretty blue sky back there? How y'all doing today? I don't know how long this vlog's gonna be. I was out in the yard cleaning up, working in the shed and stuff. But you can see here I got some wood and I got a torch. And guess what I'm fixing to do? See those barrels right there? See that right there? Got me some copper. Fixing to light up some copper. Yeah, I collect old extension cords and stuff off of VCRs, sewing machines, TVs, you name it. If it's got a cord, it ain't no count. I cut the cord ends off. A lot of copper there, folks. A lot of copper. Anyway, I'm fixing to switch the camera around and get this started and be right back at y'all. Alright, don't go nowhere. Alright folks, I'm back. There's my copper. Put me some planks under here. That way it help burn it. And kids, please do not try this at home, okay? I'm somewhat of a professional. Yeah, somewhat. There we go. Get that fire going there. Get this some light too. Alright. We'll just sit back, let that burn. And yeah. There's my barbecue grill. Rotten watermelon. Hopefully it'll grow some seeds next year. Yeah, I know folks, I can't be around smoke, so I'm gonna have to be careful. The wind's actually blowing that way, so it's gonna be pretty good. But yeah, hopefully I'll remember to turn the camera on when that gets done. I'll show y'all what it looks like after the copper gets done. Melted up, I mean off the, all the, excuse me, all the rubber gets melted off the copper. Alright, be right back. Alright folks, this is what I was doing today. That is mostly from that, and I got that to do tomorrow. Now I just cut that, and it was way on up there, about like that. And that's some of the wood off of it. And water done got hot. But yeah folks, that's what I've been busy doing. Alright folks, this is a follow-up. We got that tree right over there down. It was way on up there. And this is actually two trees here, one here and one here that wide. One went out towards the road and the other one went over this way. So yeah, that's that. Got the fence back up and got it tied pretty good, except for this side, but it'll do till I get back from camping. And look at all that wood, folks. Oop, I got their car. Oh well, I'll blur out. Alright folks, that's gonna probably be it. So I'll probably catch y'all Monday then. Later.